Hi everyone, it's Miss Dayton here. I miss getting to make music with you guys at school every day, but I wanted to share with you a way that you could make your own musical instrument at home so that you're not without your music. And we're gonna make today a shaker egg using a plastic egg that opens. I'm gonna use dried rice and of course some sort of tape to make sure that it stays closed. So it's very simple. The first thing you need to do if you're using something small like rice, like I am, I don't know if you've ever noticed there are holes in the bottom of the plastic egg. So I like to cover those with a piece of tape on the inside of the egg, just so that you're not leaking out little rice kernels everywhere you go shaking your instrument. So I'm going to do that first. You put a piece of tape on the inside so it covers those holes. I'm just using Scotch tape for that. And then you put some rice in there. I like to fill the top part that's bigger. And I don't fill it all the way, just so that it makes some sound. And you can already start to hear the sound of a shaking egg. Now, in order to keep it closed, I like to tape it shut. And for this, I'm going to use some masking tape. I also have used electrical tape that's black in the past, just to kind of mix it up. But we'll tape it shut just so that rice doesn't go flying everywhere by accident when we're making music with our shaker egg. And if you have any sort of colorful tape that you want to add, let's see, I've got some colorful tape here. Just to add some color to it if you want to. You can kind of decorate it that way or with some Sharpies or something. If you don't have dried rice, you can experiment with different kinds of things inside your egg to make different sounds. For example, I've used dried beans to make a different sound. Or let's see, this one's a marble. And you could even use something like popcorn kernels or anything that you can find that's small. But these are very fragile, so watch out if it's too heavy, like my marble. I've shaken it and it's broken before, so be careful because it gets a little bit dangerous with something that's heavier. But the rice works really well. And there you have your own shaker egg instrument. You can play with your different sounds, whatever you decide to put in there. I hope you have fun making music at home. I miss you guys, and we'll get to see each other soon. Bye!